How to change theme on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change theme on Signal. It's so easy and quick, and let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application on your phone, and now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Now scroll down a little bit and click on appearance, and now click on the first option, which is theme. And like you see, you have light, dark, and system default. Now like this is dark, light, and you choose whatever you want. So this is it guys, it's so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.